is Dana with this month's edition of Car Care Minute. Today's cars really are built better than they used to be. One thing that's especially important about today's vehicles is that they're less likely to break down or to need major repairs when properly maintained. The emphasis on today's cars is maintenance. When properly maintained, the cost to keep them on the road goes down. Over the years, our shop has transitioned from focusing on vehicle repairs to vehicle maintenance. With that in mind, we put together a program to help maintain your vehicles with the best pricing for that maintenance, when you need it, not when we think something should be on special. We call this program our Car Care Club. With your Car Care Club membership, you'll get a number of free services as well as discounts on the maintenance items you need most, when you need them. Your Car Care Club membership gives you hundreds of dollars in savings. So give us a call today for more details and to find out how you can get your own Car Care Club membership so you can start saving on the services you need most. You can even start saving on your next visit. Give us a call today to get your membership started. Until next time, I'm Dana with your Car Care Minute.